door?
No, it's fine.
That's weird.
What's weird?
There's a tractor at Outback. Especially at nighttime.
It's Troy, Ohio.
I thought we just moved into Hick County. No, don't stop at that. Edit. I forgot I was on camera.
So, here's that Outback Steakhouse, and here's a tractor. Outback Tractor, Troy, Ohio. I think us having chickens here kind of did fit in with the community.
Uh-huh. Very cool. Goodness.
You wonder who owns the tractor?
Yeah, so you have to profile people. Don't do that. You can't do that. That's against the law.
To profile people or to look at
To
them?
videotape them.
Oh. What do you think? Who is the one that owns a tractor here? Him? 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 So, where are we again?
We're at Outback in Troy, Ohio.
And
That's really close.
no, it's actually, it looks like it's pretty far away from you.
Oh. I don't like to see.
So that someone used to work here.
Yes, you did. Caleb.
You want the camera to be off?
Yes.
When?
Did you already turn it off?
No. You want it off now?
Yes.
Okay.